Hello beautiful people. In this video I'm going to be starting on the inside. Let's just get started. First of all, I want to say thank you for watching my videos. Yes, I was going to be showing a video on the graphics, but there's a little problem. The artist advised me that I needed to paint the inside also before he can start adding the graphics. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Let's just finish it up and paint the inside. Alright, as you know, I always start painting the inside first, then I'll cover it up and thank you very much. Then I'll cover it up and paint the outside. But I wanted to make it a little bit different. I wanted to paint the outside first and the inside, but I guess it doesn't work that way. So there's a tip right there. Paint the inside first. But it's alright. Let's just let me show you what I'm doing and how I'm gonna match it up to the outside. Alright, let's get started. First of all, you notice right here that the outside paint actually went inside the door jamb. Perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. Now I'm gonna get myself some line tape. I'm gonna leave all the information to this tape that I'm using, and I'm gonna put it all in the corner, just crossing a little bit inside because it's still painted. And then I'm gonna start sanding it so that whenever I remove that tape, that line tape, the other color that's gonna be inside, it's gonna be going towards the color that's already painted, and you're not even gonna notice it. Right there. Perfect. It is crossing inside just a tad, so that when I sand it down here, the tape's still gonna stay there. When I sand it down and I paint it, everything's gonna be going into that little paint right there. When I peel this off, you're not even gonna notice it. Well, you're gonna notice it right now because it's just gonna be silver for right now. But once I apply the candy, you're not even gonna notice it. But there it is. All right, everything has been sanded, and it's up to 400 right now. So I'm just gonna leave it at 400 grit, sand it. Let's just cover it up and start spraying. There it is. The car has been completely covered. Let's just it has been wax and grease removed also. So let's just start spraying the sealer and go with the flakes. Alright guys, there it is, the metal flake. Metal flake is on. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait for about 20 minutes for it to dry completely. Come back, and yes, I am going to start applying the candy. It's a small area, so you can apply the candy like this over the metal flake, which I'm going to be doing. So let's just wait those 20 minutes. Come back when I'm going to start applying. Alright, here's the candy. Remember, I did put it in a bucket. So I'm just going to mix it up and put it in the gun. There it is, 4 coats, exactly the same amount of coats as the outside. Now I'm just going to let it dry for about maybe 15 minutes. Come back, just apply the clear coat. I'm going to apply 4 coats of clear coat because I am going to resand it, have it ready for flow coating the entire car together. Alright, but there it is. Let me just show you the clear I'm going to be using. Here's a clear coat I'm going to be using from Grand 7. A real good clear. It's a real high solids clear that it'll cover it up. I'm not going to have any trouble with the sanding. I know I'm not going to burn through to the candy. So this is a real good clear, guys. Really recommend it. All right, I am going to be using a slow activator. Reason being, it's like 98, 99 in here where I'm at right now. So I need something slow. I don't want it to dry super quick. And there it is, after the full 4 coats of clear. Nice, real nice. So there you go. I'm just gonna let it dry for a couple of days. Come back, sand it down, have it ready like the outside. That way I can just wrap around a full coat of clear to everything once all the graphics and everything is done. But there it is. Alright, and this will be it for this video, guys. Thank you very much. Let's continue. Next, believe it's gonna be the underneath of the hood, underneath the trunk, the doors. Alright, let's just finish it up. Thank you. Like always, God bless.